Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an easy origami cat. So first you'll need 2 square papers. I'm going to start with the head. Now I have this two-sided colored paper. So we're going to fold first on the center of the paper. Then unfold the paper. And we're going to do the same thing here. To make a plus. Like this. Then unfold the paper. Now we're going to take the top corner of the paper. I'm going to fold it on the center of the paper. Make sure this fold here is aligned with this one. Then I'm going to fold over the center line, like this. Now you see these 2 corners, we're going to fold them both over this corner here. Like this. Same thing here. Then we're gonna take this corner and we're gonna fold from starting this point towards this one here, like this. To make the ears. Same thing here. Then I'm gonna take the top corner, I'm gonna fold it down. Over these 2 points, here and here. And then turn the paper. Now I'm gonna fold this up towards this point here. Then we're gonna fold it down. I'm gonna take a pen and I'm gonna draw the eyes. Like this. Now for the body, I'm gonna take this square paper. Then I'm gonna fold over the center of the paper, like this. Then unfold the paper. Now we're gonna take this line and this one and fold them both over the center of the paper. Now we're gonna fold over the center of the paper, like this. So here, where the head gonna be. Now we're gonna make the tail. So take approximately the half the distance. I'm gonna fold over this line and this one here, this and this. So first, I'm gonna fold like shown. First fold, unfold the paper. Now for the second fold, we're gonna take the same point here. I'm gonna fold it up like this. Now, I'm gonna open the paper here like this. Then flatten the paper. Then I'm gonna fold it up like this between these 2 points. Then I'm gonna fold this back. And then that's it. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.